Never mind again.
Ladies and gentlemen, a half hour of sparkling entertainment by Canada Dry. The campaign has been today. Canada Dry is now available in the large as well as the regular size bottles of the home and made to order by the Grassy Farm. This program stars Jack Benny, the Canada Dry humorist, and Ted Weems' orchestra. Ted Weems opens the program with Roll Up the Carpet. Off the carpet, first bank again. Get the music on the radio. Don't mind the nobody shoot it down, Terry. They went out to see us go. Off the carpet, first bank again. Happy good, but all the lights are. And the girlfriend, the one who cares, and way that you love her so. There's a seeming tired of their thing. Try to find a place to fight. So the unequal all thing. Take advantage of the doubt. Hey, roll up your trouble, roll up your hand. Don't forget your back. Harper and Wolfgang, yeah, you want to have a wonderful time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you the man of the half hour, Jack Benny.
Thanks, Paul. Hello, Scanty Figure. This is Jack Dirk Dane Benny, the Earth Galloper, coming to you again with some very late news reports.
And are they late? I'll never order from that man again. Anyway, these news gems come to you through the courtesy of the morning grapefruit, the news that first to reach your eyes. Or the late dispatchers by wire, telephone, table, and Susan.
All right, Jack. Start is
Paul, don't butt in. This is for our cast customers. All right, let's go. Posterity note. Hannibal, Missouri. And this is improving here. Mississippi now running on full times. Washington, D.C. President Hoover spent 2 weeks to take in 50. He catches an eel, but later finds out it's a shark suffering from the depression. Wander along with that one, folks.
Jack Benny talking. London, England. In economy drive, Prince of Wales tells his horse and will take in the falls at Niagara this year. Get her? Moscow, Russia. 5-year plan ends this month. 7-year itch will start immediately. Union Square, New York. Man found beating himself overhead with club. When asked why he was doing this, he said he was a red and missed the last meeting.
Winfield Column, New York. Short theme hanging around Ted Weems' door.
That was a wolf.
Oh, pardon me. Venice, Italy. 3 pedestrians fought 3 against red light and are drowned. Mount Pre-Sinocine, warning. 2 Japanese spies found hiding in the district Katsui. The site is mushroom. Darn clever, these Japs. Delhi, India. Big blaze starts in business section of Delhi, burning down several Delhi capacity stores. At local, very local. Bombay, India. Mahatma Gandhi puts on a suit of clothes and is mistaken for Kid Crawford. Erie, Pennsylvania. He tipped just arrived here. No other need. Glasgow, Scotland. 14 cents collected and big release ride last week. Driver over and people flocking back to city. Gunstwagon, Ohio. Circuit midgets commit suicide in restaurant by jumping off a 3-decker Sandy. January 22nd, 1901. Marconi invent wireless. January 22nd, 1933. Marconi hears this program and is sorry he started it. Baysville, Minnesota. 3 students, 8 trees in height and almost round.
Paul, Minnesota. I see. You can get a cool drink of Sammy the Dry ginger ale as Minnesota fountain. You sent it, Paul. You sent it.
Well, we both had to reach for those. Play, Dad, play.
Now we offer this familiar melody. Bill Crosby's theme song, Echo in the Valley.
The old papers while cleaning out the closet and found the manuscript of this masterpiece, which is entitled, Mary ducked off the title. Here it is. The name of the play is Bertha, the Sewing Machine Girl. This famous old play with a tear, a laugh, a heart throb, a few hitters, and no doubt your money back. However, it was a great success in its day, and I even say as big as Rosie's Irish Raid, written by Ann Nichols. Nichols. And you get 5 cents back on each large Canada Dry bar. You couldn't say Nichols, could you? You couldn't do that. Now, this play, Bertha, the Sewing Machine Girl, was a great success in its day, having had set run at 1 consecutive night in Perth Amboy, another night at Asbury Park, and then direct to the Sawyer House where it ran over a year. The members of the original company had been dead for over 35 years, so we have our own all-star cast this evening, which is as good as the cast in Grand Hotel. We sing. Of course, what you think is entirely up to you. We have rehearsed faithfully for 5 minutes and will present it to you immediately without the customary break-in out of town. Now, here are some of the original criticism when the play had its premieres in 1890. Well, the Winfield Father. Bertha, the Sewing Machine Girl, is as fine a play as I've ever looked over a transom at. Ankle over and see it. Ed Sullivan, Sr., Bertha, the Sewing Machine Girl, will have you in stitches. That wasn't bad. I thought of that myself. George G. Mason. I saw the play, and as they say in church, you. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are reviving the play tonight for your pleasure. Remember the title, Bertha, the Sewing Machine Girl. And meanwhile, Ted Williams and his boys will play 12th Street Rag, which is very appropriate.
Up on Kennedy to the Albedo, get your ice cold Canada Dry Ginger Ale, made to order by the glass. This way, right here. That's this way, madam. Seats 1 and 3 on the aisle.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our dramatic ushering, Bertha, the sewing machine girl. Kirkland, music bed. That's supposed to be a sewing machine, folks. Glad to ease it for an automobile.
I am getting sick and tired of this hard work. All I do is work and pile and clothes. This sewing machine is driving me mad. Good.
Well,
Come on.
I'm sorry, Miss Piggins, that I told to tell you that I must foreclose the mortgage.
Oh, can't you wait a little longer? Well, you're not going to drive us out into cold, cold night. What a night.
Hey, a little stronger on the wind, fella.
What a night.
I've waited long enough. I must have the money in 10 minutes, or else I'll foreclose. Looks like we closed at 4. Remember, 10 minutes. Goodbye.
Oh, what shall I do? What shall I do? Poor old father. He will soon be homeless. Oh. It's 3:00 and Daddy isn't home yet. Here's some coffee now. Hello, Daddy.
We'd like them in.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, babe. Oh, pardon me, I'm the boss. What are you sighing about, Messiah?
Oh, I'm so tired of it all. I work hard all day, cooking and scrubbing and racking and so on and so on. And
Go on what?
so on button.
All right, Mary, cut out the J. Who is there?
Who's it I?
Hey, Clooney, stay out of this good. All right. Well, brother, what do we got for supper tonight?
It's a nice low swell, Sadie.
Rose Swells, you finally met him here, Maze.
I suppose you know that the real estate man was here today.
You tell him we can run him?
He said he'd give us 10 minutes to pay up or get out.
Leave.